Birungi okugamba ebi n'obyabaye bembiro mukoro gw'okutongoza ehuriro y'okubyara emiti omu nkambi y'amahe eya Mohoti omuri Fort Portal. Ehuriro egi UPDF bakwatanize n'ekitongole kya Natural Resource Defense Initiative NRDI.
Let us wake up now like these people now have told us. Sensitize our own. Even back home when you are saying, tell them when you go back, say, don't cut this tree. Before they stopped the charcoal burning in Gulu, if you could see how many bags of charcoal were moving.
Oguhona nagira ngu n'obukirabe kiri ngu government n'ebitongore bigerezeho okurinda eby'obuhangwa amaani aga gabaasa kugwa butaka baba bateegise abantu abaine okubirinda.
And to be honest, for the time I've been in DRC, I have never seen a dry season. It is ever raining. And equally even in Fort Portal here. So I want really to all of you to understand this and not only think that this group is the one which is supposed to fight for nature.
Omukoro ogu gwayetabwamu omuhwezo wa RCC abwa Fort Portal nestarare kandi yarabura abarikushisha eby'obuhangwa.
To the people who are degrading the environment, we are coming for you. Please don't spoil the environment. If you have a wetland nearby you, don't dump soils there, don't construct houses there. Use it for fish farming.
I was somewhere in Toroko and found when the whole barracks had been carved out by the river and taken to the Congo side by River Semuliki. All these are impacts of climate change.
Gasha kwa Jona Ntusingwire.